Hey there, we're going to be talking about why most businesses are invisible on Google Maps and how smart business owners can actually avoid this. Your customers are searching for services you offer on Google Maps or on Google itself. They're scrolling past hundreds of businesses to find someone to hire. Take, for example, here for someone looking to hire a pressure washing or pressure cleaning services. They just go on Google, simply enter into this query here. They just equivalent pressure cleaning if you are wherever you are. So let's say McKinney, just enter McKinney, Peugeot, and McKinney. These are the very first people you see. Here, one, two, three, and before you know how the organic listings. These are the first people you meet when they come onto Google to make the search. Sometimes they could actually type in near me search. If I were to be located in McKinney, for example, now just type pressure cleaning near me, and this map section will entirely open, and most likely it's only the business that are listed here, the first 1 to 3 businesses that are listed here, are the one getting most of the clicks. Here's the brutal truth. If you're not in the top 3 results, like I've just shown you, there's every tendency that the game is over for you. Because literally you must have engaged somehow on Google and you tend to stick with the very first 3. At most, you don't even go more than the first page of Google. When your competitors keep winning, think of Google Maps like our popularity contest at school. The school kids, they are the top 3 business positions, just like as we've seen here, 1, 2, 3, all get all the attentions while everyone else sits at lunch. Your competitors figured out how to be popular, and you're just sitting there hitting yourself. So the numbers that will actually make you sick once we're done explaining is 68% of people start their search on Google Maps. It gets most of the calls. It does not mean that the other businesses don't get the calls. But this 1, 2, 3, the first businesses get at least 30% of the call. The second has 20%, and the last has, and the third has almost, and then from position number 4 down shares the rest of the percentage portfolio. If you're number 4, you might as well be number 400. Every day you are invisible costs you anywhere between 5 to 10 to 50 potential leads. The real reason you're buried, Google's algorithm doesn't care how good you are at plumbing. It cares about 3 things. Does your business name match what people search for? Do customers love to leave reviews for you? And can Google find proof that you actually serve the area you claim you serve? The solution, however, smart business owners discover 3 secrets that fool Google's algorithm into ranking them number 1. It's not magic, it's strategy. And I'm about to show you exactly how they do it, step by step, without getting suspended or banned. Your wake-up call is that every minute you stay invisible, your competitors are still your customers who should be calling you. Tomorrow is another day of lost revenue. But here's the good news, I can fix this for you. You just leave me a comment, free audit below, and I'll personally analyze your Google business profile and tell you exactly why you're invisible and how to fix it. This usually costs around $500, but it's free for you today if you comment in the next 24 hours right on this video. You can also reach me at my email, my LinkedIn profile, and my YouTube. See you in the next video.